Good Friday morning. This is a very simple video today. I was informed I'm a little serious, so I'm gonna try to be casual. I actually thought I was being casual, so there's clearly a disconnect that I have. Pro tip, if you ever want to sleep and get to sleep fast, and if you're like me, guys, and you are worried about, I'm not worried about, but if you have the tendency to worry uh, about like providing like your job, uh, should the market go to shit, these things. If you find yourself like stuck on a cycle of thoughts, all you have to do when going to bed is simply focus right here. Like when you're asleep, head on the pillow, just focus right here. And when you focus right here, you'll notice like all these thoughts, all those thoughts that are trying to demand your attention and try to get you to solve problems while you're trying to sleep. Probably the worst time to solve a problem. You just go back to here. You tell those thoughts, yeah, you're not useful to me right now. Super simple. Focus right here. You'll notice all the thoughts trying to kick you off that spot. That's the only way I know how to describe it. Basically, the thoughts try to steal your attention, and you just have to redirect it. That focus right back over there. That's the one pro tip. Otherwise, I have some plans this weekend. I have to plant the hydrangeas. Got to cut the grass here. I don't know if you can see. The Bermuda's popping up. We had a spot of rain, so we got some dense patches growing in, and I got to get some hydrangea bushes planted in the ground. It's been over a month since I've already bought them, and they are still in the pots. So we got to make a point of doing that, and then I am putting in a live edge on the garden beds and spreading mulch this weekend, because I've also bought the mulch and it's ready to go. So leave a comment if you are doing any projects this weekend. Love to hear what you're doing, and if you need any help, let me know. Have a good one. Happy Friday, everyone.